Good morning, Namaskar and Jai Jagannath. I stand here today with great pride to announce about the Indian Storytelling Competition 2023 being organized by InterScience Institute of Management and Technology. And the theme specified for the storytelling competition is ethical and moral values in Indian mythological and traditional stories. The time duration of this video is minimum 3 minutes and maximum 10 minutes. We encourage and invite all the students from class 8 to 10 to contribute to the storytelling competition and enhance your talent therein. You begin the video by self-introduction and mention your name, your class and school name. Then you are narrating the story, telling us the moral implication of the story and finally ending up the session by telling, I am a proud Indian. Once your video is done, you are going to click on the link shown on the screen and then you will be moving to the Google form where you need to specify the entries, that is your name, your school, your phone number, your email ID, and a link will be given that you need to subscribe. Then you have to upload your video to the link specified and that will make your video reach us. Once the registration process is done, we will be shortlisting the best entries and those all videos will be uploaded into our YouTube channel. All our winners and inviting them to come to our college campus to take attractive prizes in our annual function that is going to be held on March 2023.